I'm an accountant by trade. I was working out in Hong Kong as an accountant for a commodity trading company. I came across property actually. Previously I invested with a normal standard buy-to-let with a two-bedroom flat in Stratford in London. That was very amateur, didn't really know what I was doing, just bought a property and hoped for the best really. Really came across property when I saw Lesley's YouTube video and got in touch with her to sort of find out more about a mentorship program that she was able to offer. So from there I was fully convinced by the idea. But ever since coming back to the UK, we've been meeting up regularly. She's been a great mentor to me, really helps along our property investment journey. She's always there for support. Which is really important. There's a lot of things involved from the very start, from negotiating to speaking to landlords and agents, to sealing a deal, to running the property as an SA. Another important thing is obviously her legal knowledge. Having the right sort of the support there, knowing what documents to use, knowing what clauses to look out for. What terms to sort of go with is so important. All along the way we've had that support to sort of encourage us to grow. Of course, Lesley's there, she's just a text message away from just sharing that knowledge, and sometimes that's what you need, and we wouldn't be here today if it wasn't because of her support.